Everyone, this is Christina from Beyond, and today I'm going to walk you through what data we use in Insights. So as you know by now, Insights is where you can go to get a pulse on your performance. It includes key stats such as paid occupancy, total revenue, average daily rate, revenue per available night, and more. You can use filters to adjust the set of listings or reservations that you're viewing over here on the right. And you can analyze pacing and year-over-year trends as well in each of the charts. The goal of Insights is to help you understand how your portfolio or your property is performing, with comparisons that can help you understand the necessary context behind this performance. So for example, if your portfolio occupancy is down, you may want to see how the market is doing. And if the market is similarly down, you can be pretty confident that the market is largely influencing your own performance. However, if your performance is down but the market is up, you may want to look into employing some strategies to increase your occupancy. And you can do that comparison over here in our compare to selected markets. So what data does Insights use? Insights includes three main data sources. The first is data from your properties. This comes from our direct connection with your PMS or OTA, such as Airbnb, Booking.com, or Vrbo. The second is market data, and that comes from either connected accounts or OTAs. This data is aggregated and anonymized before it hits your screen, and this is the data that's used for market comparisons in the dashboard, is used in comp sets for your comp properties, and it's used in market insights. The third data set is search data from your direct website. So if you have our search script installed and you're using or trialing our pro product, you can view search trends in Insights. You'll find these three data sources throughout Insights, and now you'll know where that data has come from. Thank you.